Are you looking to create a powerful WordPress membership site and don't know where to start? With WordPress, you can create a membership site that offers exclusive content, products, and services to your members. In this video, I take a closer look at a new, highly and light affordable membership plugin called Sure Members plugin. So if you need to build up a membership website to sell your digital products and services, you are at the right place. You will be amazed by how easy it is to use. This is the website we're about to recreate. It sells online courses. Some of them are accessible to everyone, while another ones are only available to premium members. Let's begin. A membership site refers to a collection of web pages containing restricted content which requires users to log in for access. Typically, a membership site serves as a repository for exclusive material accessible solely to individuals who have paid a membership fee. A good example is Netflix. To become a Netflix member, users need to visit the Netflix website or download the Netflix mobile app. To start using the content, users need to sign up for or start your free month button. Choosing the right tools is crucial because with the right tools you will notice how easy it is to set everything up without the need to hire a developer. I will be using the powerful Sure Members plugin, a new and affordable plugin in the market that really helps you make and manage a website in a very consistent way. Sure Members is a paid plugin and you will have to first purchase on this website. The prices are very affordable, so choose the one you prefer the most, and once the purchase is completed, you will upload the zip file into WordPress by going to the plugins, add new, upload plugin, click on choose file, and there is my Sure Members zip file, and then you click on install and then to activate. Sure Members plugin allows you to protect the content of your site in multiple different ways. You define the content access rules according to your strategy plans. First, let's create rules so that the plugin can detect them later on. You easily reach this from the WordPress admin panel. Click on posts and let's add a new one. I'm using the Gutenberg block editor. Let's call it WordPress with some demo content, and then you should organize your content by using categories and tags. For example, for this course, I want to assign a category of WordPress category without any tag. And you should determine another categories labeled, for example, as premium, and this premium category could have different tags. Let's publish this, and I want to show you how I organized. So here are my posts. Each one has a category, and the first one will be free content and the remaining ones will be premium. So the premium, besides the category, also has a tags assigned them, and a simple and easy way to organize the content. Another way to add the metadata is to click on this quick edit button, and then you could change here and assign another categories or another tags. Next, let's add the rules in order to protect this content with the Sure Members plugin. So to make this, we access groups. Click on add new, give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. And I only want to restrict the premium courses, the HTML and the marketing courses. As for the WordPress course, I decided everybody can watch this free. So in this protected content, I need to decide and tell Sure Members what type of content I want to secure. You can expand this and look for your choices. As for me, I go with this one because it's related to some posts and taxonomies, and then we just need to type in the taxonomy. So for me, I have set mine to be premium. That's it. an extra step would be as well to specify what takes place when the user tries to view the content. There are two options, redirect and message. Let's set a message. I want to enable this for my blog posts, enable excerpt. So now you need to set here your custom message. Save the group, and let's check now in an incognito mode how this works. So the WordPress would be free, so everybody can watch these courses. Okay. What about the HTML and marketing courses, which are premium? As you can see, we got the message. This content is only available for family members, and there are two options to join now and to enter the login details. The next step is to set up the way users will be allowed to sign up and pay for the membership. Sure Members does not include a checkout, therefore we need another plugin from the same company called SureCard. The plugin is free of charge and it's fully integrated into Sure Members plugin. I love this idea of having two separated plugins, as it allows you to use another checkout plugin such as WooCommerce, for example. So let's proceed. Access the plugins tab and add a new plugin, and then search for SureCard. Is this one, click once to install the plugin and then once more to activate. You easily find the new SureCard menu in your WordPress admin panel now. From there, you are now able to create your first online store by using the setup wizard. Click on this green button. So you need to enter your email and password. Once you finish the email and the password, you will go to the SureCard connection and you will notice that the SureCard and your website are connected. Notice the API token is already there and saved. So we have just connected the website to SureCard. So to set up the payment gateway for your users to pay for the membership, click on the Payment Processors tab. There are three available processors: Stripe, PayPal, and Molly. There are two methods here, and you need to pay attention to: test payment and live payment. If you enable any of these, you will be aware that the live version is the real configuration and it works with real money, while the test mode is a payment gateway for testing purposes with no non-real money involved. So have a look before you set this. And then all you had to do is to connect to your Stripe account. We need to create a product. A product will be the membership. So to do that, click on Products, Add New, give it a logical name, a name for your product, Create button, and now you just need to fill in all the details. You can set this monthly, the basic plan. I go with monthly. One-time installs, subscriptions, the price, and repeat every single month. And click to create the product. Now let's create the sales page where the user can enter their data to finalize the sign up and purchase your membership. So to do that, just navigate over to Forms, click Add New, give it a meaningful name. You have two templates, the default and as a full page. Let's try with the full page. Click Next, and here is where you put your product. There it is. Select it and click Create. I want to test this, not real money, so I change this option to test, and there you go. My user now, if he wants to see my premium content, he needs to pay $45 a month. If you need to restrict only a paragraph or a page or a blog, just follow these easy steps. Let's open up a random post and choose to edit with WordPress editor. Let's select this block. On the right sidebar, you find this option, restrict this block. Open up, and there you have two options. Where do you want to show this? When the user is logged in or when it's not logged in? I choose this one just for testing purposes, and you want to access the groups. Update, and let's check, and there it is. The blog is completely hidden. The customer dashboard is a very special page for your customers, as this is a page where your customers access the website. SureCard automatically creates page for you. Let's take a closer look. Open the customer dashboard and let's edit with Gutenberg. In this page, users can find your assets, your downloads, payment methods, account information, and more relevant data. So this is very customizable and it works just like any other Gutenberg blog. For instance, if I need to insert a new blog, all I need to do is to click on the plus icon. And we can insert above or below this content. If you expand the WordPress inserter, you easily realize it has nested blocks. You can move them around quickly, so you can customize as you need to according to your branding needs. Let's try now a Spectra container. So click on the plus icon, select container, and I'm using the Spectra plugins. Now I drag it to the top. Let's select this preset and let's style. Or you can use a gradient or an image or even a video. So you can customize as you need according to your branding needs. And this is great. The customer dashboard link is the same as the login page. For example, if a person without privileges is trying to access it, it will show the login step. Let's check this on an incognito window. So I copy this URL, then I open an incognito window, Ctrl-Shift-N, paste it, and there it is. To log out, the user easily finds the option again in the customer dashboard. So there is another way where you can display login forms. Let's open the Sure members. In this step, I have determined that my action for users was to show them a message, right? And the other way to show the login form is this one. Enable login button. This way, users without enough privileges can log in easily by clicking on the login. They can start right away to consume the content. And this is very good. Many other membership plugins don't allow this. This is a great feature. There you go. We have two options, to join now and an access to the login form. If you need to only display a page for unknown login in users in the menu, it's quite simple. Head over to the menus, and in my primary menu I have a custom link. And now all you have to do is to show the menu item when the user is not in. Save the menu, copy the URL, open an incognito. I'm not logging in, so I should see. And there it is. Now that your membership site is set up, you need to promote it to attract members. So use the social media, email marketing, and promote your site on forums and other websites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. I suggest you watch this next video tutorial about the best WordPress plugin to automate social media from your WordPress website. Bye!